guys, it's Nabil from Topaz. Hope you're doing well. As you can see, I am not at work, I am at home. I'm also wearing my Christmas jumper. It's Christmas Eve, you gotta do it. It's one of those things. Kids love it, I love it. I'm joking, I don't, I do. But anyway, I thought I'd show you this video. So a couple of weeks ago, we went on to this, we were invited to a big car park. Yeah, massive car park, where we thought to ourselves, oh, it'd be really interesting to take the A12 and the M5 and see what they've got. So the turnout was great. There was a lot of other cars there, a lot of like-minded people, and it was a really good result. But wanted to just show you the day, how it happened, what happened, as much as possible, without going to boring details. But the most important bit is the bit that you wanted to see, is loads of burning rubber, right? So, let's do it. How was that? I told you, there was a lot of burning rubber in that video. But you know, that A12, oh my God, honestly, the noise was phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. It was really super fast. No pun, no, it wasn't so fast. It was slow because it wasn't going anywhere and I was spinning all the time. But then obviously Mazen was driving and he's a much better driver than I am, and Ollie obviously got in the car and he showed me up as well. So it was great fun getting my ass handed to me in many different ways, showing me that I'm not a good driver. But anyway, apart from that, it was great fun. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed that. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you have a good break, and please, if you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe, press the little bell thing, you know, do all the things you gotta do. But yeah, thank you for your support. Have a good holiday. See you later.